Hey CWA family, so today we are going to sublimate a car air freshener. So I already have my parchment paper down on my heat press. So I'm going to go ahead and lint roll both sides just to be on the safe side. I don't think you really have to do that, but I just want to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna lint roll both sides. This is my image that I will be putting on the car air freshener. I printed extras just in case it doesn't fit on here. So, and we're gonna do both sides with the same image. If you haven't noticed already, I like to do sublimation. That's why you see a lot of sublimation videos. I like to do sublimation because you get more variety, it's quick, and it's easy. All right, so now that we have our image, we're gonna do this front side first. So I am going to lay the image on, try to center it best I can. Excuse my shirt, y'all. I've had this shirt for years, and how we put wash instructions with our shirts when we ship them out to customers. I don't be following the wash instructions. I just wash the way I want to wash. Look, that's not a good thing coming from somebody that make t-shirts, huh? They say that, but it's the truth. All right, so I'm gonna center it, and then I'm going to put some heat tape down on it to make sure it doesn't move. And this is the Cricut brand heat tape. I really like the Cricut brand heat tape. It's really good. I like it. Alright, and we're just gonna heat tape it down so it doesn't move. Make sure there's no air in between. Boom. And I always I always heat tape mine all the way down to the paper. To make sure it doesn't move anywhere. Oh, I forgot I already forced them. And the air fresheners, you can get the air fresheners from off CWA Academy 2022 website. And the design, I got it from off Etsy. So now we're gonna heat press for 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Take our parchment paper off. Let's see. And it is hot, so be careful. I have some heat gloves. Oh, so pretty. How pretty it is. And then we're gonna turn it over and we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Same thing, 400 degrees, 60 seconds. And while we're waiting on that, this is the oil that I have. It is warm cookie scent. So hopefully it smells good. It was on clearance at Michael's. So hopefully it smells good. It comes with the oil and a dropper. Oh, it smells really good. It really does smell good. So we're just gonna use our dropper, squeeze just a little bit in there. so that way we can put it on our air freshener. Alright, then we're gonna pull this one up just like before. And voila, it's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So we're gonna get our oil and we're just gonna do the drops on the side. I'll do 3 drops. We don't want to make it too oily. And then we're going to let it sit for 24 hours before we package it and ship it. But I do have a string that is going to put in here. So when I get ready to put the string in, I'll come back so that way you can see it. All right, so this is the result. And if you have any questions, oh, you know what? I think I'm going to do a string now. All right, so this is the ball of string it comes with. So we're just gonna cut our string. Then we're gonna stick it through the hole and just tie it. Put the ends together, make sure it's even. And voila. We have our car air freshener. And it smells so good. It smells just like the cookies. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and ask your questions. And as always, please make sure if you are not subscribed to the channel that you subscribe to the channel and like this video. And as always, thank you for crafting with April. One last thing, if possible, if you can use the spray for the scent instead of an oil, that would be great, so that way you don't see the oil spots on the air freshener.